Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix can't download Roblox from Microsoft Store error. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So first, what you can do is to just authenticate your Microsoft account. So one of the first troubleshooting steps you can take is to verify your Microsoft Store credentials. So here's how you can do it. So first, you need to check if you are signed in. So to do that, just open your Microsoft Store and look for any sign in prompts. And after that, you can now enter your credentials. So if you're not logged in, a pop-up window will appear. Just type in the same password you use for your Windows PC to pass the security verification and sign in to your Microsoft account. And then next, you can now attempt Roblox download. So if you are signed in, try downloading Roblox to see if the issue has been resolved. And if you find that you're already signed in, what you can do is sign out and then sign in again. You can navigate to your account settings in the Microsoft Store and then click sign out and then log back in. So this refreshes your session and often fixes minor glitches, making it possible to download Roblox successfully. So by authenticating your Microsoft Store account, you reset the credentials, which is often the first line of defense in resolving download issues. The next, what you can do is reset the Microsoft Store via command prompt. So if re-authenticating your Microsoft Store doesn't solve the problem, you can consider resetting the Microsoft Store app through the command prompt. So this action will clear any lingering issues or bugs. So here are the step-by-step guide on how you can do that. So first, just access your command prompt, and to do that, you can go ahead and open your start menu and then just simply type CMD in the search bar. And then after that, just click into the result and run as administrator. So right click on the command prompt app and choose run as administrator and execute. Next, you need to execute reset command. So in the command prompt window, input the WS reset and press enter. So as you can see, here's the command right here as shown in the photo. Then lastly, what you can do is to just troubleshoot via Windows Update the service reset. So to do that, or as a last result, if you're unable to download Roblox, you can restart Windows Update service. So this service is often behind download related issues on Windows platforms. So follow the steps right here to do that. So first, you need to access Services Manager. So to do that, open the Start menu and type Services and then just press Enter. And then navigate to the Windows Update. So click the inside the services window to activate it, and quickly jump to the services that start with letter W by pressing the W key. And then next, you need to modify settings. So right click on the Windows Update and go to the properties, and here the startup type to automatic. You need to set the startup type to automatic, and lastly, what you need to do is to activate the service. So make sure the service status shows running, and if it doesn't, just click the start button and then hit apply and then OK. So just fine. And then lastly, you need to reboot your computer. So this should resolve any lingering issues, allowing you to successfully download Roblox or any app from your Microsoft in that case. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.